In this video, I'll be looking at these Casekoo cases from the Galaxy S26 Ultra. So these are the two boxes that the cases come in, and we have the phone here as well. They're going to be pretty similar cases, except this one has a sort of kickstand built into it. So start with a quick unboxing, then show you how they install and what they look like and all that. Looks like the first thing we have is just the case itself, and then a bunch of different stickers. They're 2 sheets of stickers actually, so they look really nice, really cute little stickers here, some pandas and things like that, the Casekoo logo as well, so definitely nice little touch. And this looks like a phone stand as well. It's pretty cool if you want to put it on your desk or something. You set up the phone like this, or you can of course use it this way as well. So nice little phone stand, again something that they didn't necessarily have to include, but really a nice touch to have that included as well. We'll look quickly at the case as well, then get into the next box. So this is what the case looks like. This one's purple, kind of frosted material with some nice soft rubber plastic on it and such. But we'll get it all installed in a second. We'll go ahead and look at the other box first. So we'll see what's included in here. This thing is going to be pretty similar, but we have the case itself, of course. This looks like the kind of manual for the stands. It's rotatable. You can attach it with a magnet, and it has some certified military protection. And finally, we have 2 sheets of stickers as well. So no phone stand included with this one, but I'm guessing that's just because this one actually has a built-in phone stand. So that makes sense, but nice that we still have the stickers included. Looking at this other case here, again, this was the one with the built-in phone stand. So very similar cases. The only difference here is going to be that this one actually has the phone stand. So they both look really nice. They are, of course, in the color purple, but they have other colors if you're more interested in those. As far as the actual installation goes, it's pretty simple to install the phone into the case. We just kind of put it in one side here like this, snap it around all the corners. Then we have a nice easy install. Once we have the case installed, it feels very good in the hands. It's sort of nice soft rubbery material all over, so it feels very grippy but still being pretty protective as well. You have nice reinforcement on all the corners, so even if you were to drop it, it's going to offer a pretty good amount of protection. Pretty good scratch protection as well. Of course, all the sides and everything is covered. We have a nice coverage of our sleep wake button as well as the volume rocker. And looking at the bottom, we have a nice cutout for our S Pen. There's a pretty generous cutout for the USB-C port, so you're not going to have any issues using third-party cables. There's like a pretty good cutout for our speaker as well. On this other side, there's a space for a lanyard if you want to use it. And then on the top, of course, we have another cutout as well. So definitely pretty good coverage of everything. The back cameras are covered as well. If you look, the actual case comes above where the cameras would rest. So if you're leaning on a table or something like that, you're not going to have any problem with the camera lenses being scratched or anything, because of course the table will be just coming in contact with the case rather than touching the actual camera lenses. Definitely pretty good protection all around. It feels really nice in the hand without adding too much bulk to the phone. And it's very lightweight while still adding a good amount of protection and grip. Installation for this other case should be pretty similar as well. So we can go ahead and put one side of the phone in. Just going to snap it around all the corners, and then we have it installed. This one actually feels pretty different around the edges. It's a little bit less soft and rubbery. It's kind of more of a hard plastic, I would say. Still has that same protection on all the corners. You're not going to have any worries about dropping or anything like that, because all the corners are reinforced with rubber. And on this side, it looks like we have a Casekoo logo, while there wasn't any branding on the other case. Still very good overlays for our sleep wake button as well as the volume rocker. And on the back, you're not going to have to worry about your camera lens being scratched, because the edge of the case is coming up higher than the actual camera lens. So if you set it on a table or anything like that, you're not going to be having anything scratched. The table is just going to be touching your case rather than scratching up your camera lenses. Towards the bottom of the phone, we still have a good cutout for our S Pen. There's a pretty generous cutout for the USB-C port, so you don't have to worry about using any third-party chargers. And then we have a nice cutout for the speaker as well. Of course, the main difference between this case and the last one I looked at is it does have this metal ring on the back here. It's going to be a magnetic ring, and it is easy to rotate and all that. We have, again, pretty nice clicky to feedback whenever you're rotating it, so that definitely sounds pretty good. You can, of course, use it as a sort of grip if you're going to be taking pictures on your phone or something and you want just some extra security for your phone. And it also serves as a phone stand as well, so if you want to use it in landscape mode like this, you're able to do that, and also can kind of rotate around like this, and then even work in portrait mode as well. So definitely nice for watching videos, or if you want to just be reading a recipe or something while you're cooking. Many different use cases for this stand, but it's definitely very nice to have it built in. So yeah, I think that sums it up for these two Casekoo cases. I definitely really like the feel of them. Again, this one's a little bit more rugged, I would say, compared to this one. This one's a little bit softer, and again, I would say this actually has better grip potentially, but it definitely feels a little bit softer and easier in the hand, versus this one's a little bit sort of harder, plasticky, more kind of rugged overall, I would say. But again, there are pretty similar amounts of protection. They're going to be very similar cases overall in look and feel and everything like that. The biggest difference here is just going to be this magnetic ring part. I think it's nice to have the stand built into the case, but they do include a stand with this case if you prefer to use it like that. So for these similar cases, it just kind of depends on what you're going for. Overall, I think they both look really nice. You can see there's both sort of a frosted plastic, and actually see the Samsung logo through this case here. So I think they both look really nice. They feel really good in the hand, and of course they're going to add a good amount of protection to your phone.